going on, guys? Welcome back. We are here in Laverne doing it again. It is cold outside, so I'm getting in a truck. This is stupid. Whew. Not dressed for this. It's the middle of March. What is going on? It's too cold. Shut this old girl off. No need to sit here, just run for no reason, wasting fuel. We're picking up one pallet. One pallet, 77 pounds. I need a van. Anybody got a van? I got a P.O. box in the description below. A van. Like a cargo van, something. Because this is ridiculous. I go down there, one pallet. This guy right here got 2 pallets. And they're not even big pallets. They're like little bitty pallets. Money, money, money. I'm not complaining. I like a nice light load. But now's the time I need to be like, can I do this expedite with a van? Cargo van? How does that work? Anybody out there do that watches this channel? How do you guys make good money doing the cargo van, expedite, whatever, sprinter van, I guess is what they call them. I grew up, my dad he's always been in painting and like mason work, you know, doing brick and block and all that kind of stuff. So it's always been a cargo van to me, not really a sprinter van, but I guess maybe that's the new thing. I don't know. Yeah. I know one time a lady ran a stop sign back in Brooksville where we lived, and she had an huge Oldsmobile, one of those big cars before they were plastic and aluminum. And she T-boned the driver's side of him, flipped his van over, spun it around on its top, and obviously insurance took care of all of it. But he was pissed that she spilled his coffee. He just filled up a cup of coffee at the speedway down the road. It's good stuff. But yeah, that's a funny story. I guess it was funnier back then than it is now. Everybody was all right. It just, I think the city wound up paying for a lot of it because the stop sign was obscured by some trees and trees and bushes. It's too cold. I can't even talk. It's so cold. It's not really that cold. It was kind of like flurrying earlier, so it's pretty cold. But yeah, yeah, they took care of it because it was obscured by trees and bushes. I think we got that out right. Anyway, we are going down to South Carolina. Haven't been down there in a good hot minute. And I'm hoping it's warmer down there, but not too warm because I don't have my portable AC with me to sleep. I do have a fan, and I got the screens for the windows. But something I wanted to do, my brother and I, as most of y'all know that watch this channel, we have recently furthered our relationship with Christ, and something we want to do for you guys that if you're interested, we're gonna ship out Bibles. If you want a Bible, we got the paperback. I'll put a picture up here. It's a New Living Translation, so it's really easy to read versus the King James version, stuff like that, where a lot of words, it's the New Living Translation is almost a phrase for phrase translation. So it's kind of how we talk, put into context of the Bible. So it's great. It's an excellent translation. That's what I read, and it definitely helps. And you can actually go back. I have a study Bible that my brother actually bought me, that I use. I keep it here. Every Man's Bible. This is actually an NIV, not a New Living Translation, NIV. But it's the study Bible that he bought me, and it's interesting because the different words, it'll let you know in the sides or down at the bottom what that word translates to in Hebrew, so you can kind of understand what the New King James version or Old King James version would say. But anyway, we're gonna ship them out, so if you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section below. There's an email in the description below as well, the preston.zt. Email me there if you're interested in a Bible. I need a shipping address. This is all for free, so we'll ship you out a Bible, and then it'll come in an envelope. So we're not making any money on this, obviously, because they're free, right? But if you want to donate, I mean, that's great. That'd be amazing, but you don't have to. This is free. So if you're interested in getting a Bible, let us know, and we will ship them out to you guys. So just, yeah, just give me an address and how many you want, and something like that. So we're going to wait for our 1 pallet to get loaded, and I'm going to get some paperwork stuff situated, and then we're going to get on the road, guys. All right, we are loaded. We got the 1 pallet, and that's it. They're gonna climb back down. Put my gloves on here because it's cold. Gonna climb back down, put this seal on. Oh, yep. Need a van. Need a van. I don't need a van, actually. I don't even know how it'll work. I wonder if it's cheaper to haul a van. Let me put this on here. All right, we're good to go. Whew. Let's get on the road, guys. Pound some pavement, huh? Huh? We are pounding pavement up Monteagle here. When you only got 77 pounds in the box, right? Gonna move right on up the hill. All the ice on the mountainside. I told y'all it's cold. Oh, hey there, big truck, stay over there. Tell you what, it's beautiful though. Just freaking beautiful up here, y'all. Yeah. Oh, thank y'all for joining the lives whenever y'all do. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy hanging out with you guys, chit-chatting and just answering questions and whatever else, you know, just shooting the breeze, talking about God, talking about trucking, whatever, you know, just chewing the fat. It's very enjoyable. Y'all are hilarious too, it's good stuff. Some of y'all out there need your own YouTube channel. Welcome to Monteagle, Tennessee. We have a mandatory truck stop thing up here that we all have to go through. And I've seen where trucks don't go through it and they get pulled over, like before they even get completely past it. It's great. Well, we only got the 1 pallet. That's amazing that they pay that much money to ship this. There was another load that was going to Ohio. It was 176 pounds. Like, they ship this via truck. Like, why wouldn't you? I'm not complaining. I'm shocked that, because the rates are good. Like, this load was 389 or 379. Oh, there goes that trooper. Full grown. I'm not holding a phone, so I don't care. And the other rate going to Ohio was 420 something. So I mean, they're good loads that are super light. They pick up today, deliver tomorrow, kind of stuff. You know, like real quick stuff. And I don't expect that it'll take them too long to unload 1 pallet. I say that, and now I'm like, I probably shouldn't have said that, because my luck, I'll be in the dock for 6 hours. But my next load is already ready, which is nice. There's a little short deadhead after this one to go get drop and hook load, which is always good. Oh man, they must have got beat up by the storm, or they're taking it down, one of the two. Oh, we're gonna back up here on the road, of course we are. Come on, people, there's 2 lanes, 2 directions. You can go to the left or you can go to the right. Let's do that. Why is nobody going to the right? Should be like every other truck. us a rattle. I wonder if any trucks will blow by this now. Oh, that's gonna drive me crazy. It doesn't do it when we're trucking, just when we're at idle. It rattles. Depending on what these two trucks in front of me do, I'm gonna go to the right. I guess it's pretty backed up over there too. So he went that way. Oh, he's going to the parking area, so that's awesome. That worked out. I've never slept up here, like parked overnight. There's just so much traffic that it gets very loud. Jake brakes all the time. Oh, there's a runaway ramp that's closed. I wonder if there's a truck in it. We shall see. I've never sat here this long. This is wild. I've never been here when it's this busy. The 138. Oh, that's ramp number 2. So the first ramp is open. Never seen that sign where it says closed either. It's interesting. We're gonna get up and go. Come on out there, Cascadia. You got it, dude. Come on, brother. Yep. Looks like somebody went flying down the mountain. One of the ramps is full, maybe. We'll see. We got to do 45 mile an hour. It's almost dumb. Sounds good though. Monteagle. We are on 75, 4.5 miles from the 285 split. And apparently somebody smacked the median up here on the southbound side. And that's causing everything to kind of slow down. I think we're losing like 2 lanes or something. From what the chatter is on the old CB radio. Oh, and then luckily I'm going 285 east, and they're saying the 285 west, it's all backed up due to a fire from a trailer. They're cleaning up the trailer fire, or the trailer from the fire, or whatever. I guess the guy had a flat tire and kept rolling with it, and it caught fire and burned up the trailer. As of right now, it's been doing this. We'll come to a stop and then keep rolling again. Just easy does it on down here, right? It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a very nice day. Alright, I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. It's getting annoying. Turn the RF gain down a little bit. Keep the volume up so anybody close I can hear. Hey, look at them taillights. Those are cool looking taillights. Lock and seal. He didn't do either of those things. I'm not taking any kind of country roads through Atlanta. Y'all are crazy.
It'll be into the dark when they even have that cleaned up.
Be into the dark.
Well, it's already been there for 5 hours, driver.
Was that on 75 or is that on the 285?
On the 285 at the 16-mile marker. It's got 285 backed up around the north side of town all the way to 85. Well, I'm probably 4 or 5 miles north of the 285, and I'm still looking at wall-to-wall parking lots southbound 75, so I would imagine it's got you off the foot for several miles. Where did you say the backup was, Ian? 75 south at the 265, and it's fucked all the way to 285. They got a hazmat load burning up with a hazmat spilling.
Oh, it's hazmat spill. That's great.
That's 285 going around Birmingham.
Yeah, you got 285 west and east, and the west side goes obviously on the west side of Atlanta. Huh.
Well, they're going to do you a whole lot of good to get on 285 going around Atlanta, huh?
Just run it straight on down, right on through 75, right?
I thought it was illegal to do that.
It's only illegal if you get caught, right? I see trucks go through there all the time. In a backup like this, I'll take it. I mean, if traffic is shut down, I mean, what do they expect you to do? Sit in the traffic? At least that makes sense to me. We'll get on through Atlanta, guys. I'll get back to you.
75, everybody going?
All right, guys, we are about to pull into this place if everything works out. I think this is the gate I need to go to. We shall see. GPS keeps wanting me to do these U-turns and stuff. Commerce Park. It's not an industrial park, it's a commerce park. Whatever you call it, I don't care. A lot of traffic out here in beautiful Moncks Corner, South Carolina. One of the pastors I listen to online, Stephen Furtick, he's from Moncks Corner, South Carolina. It's pretty down here. Beautiful blue skies, and yeah. It was cold this morning though. It got down to the upper 20s. It was like 28, 29 degrees this morning. It's chilly. I don't know that this is the truck entrance. Oh, because I'm all over that median. I do not like doing that stuff, but whatever. We shall find out. Garrett Avenue is what we got to turn on right up here. Looks like there's a turn, or is this a circle? No, it's definitely a turn. Okay. Google. We're going to Google, everybody. Google. Alright, I'm gonna turn this camera off here whenever we get up here, and I'll use a different one. So apparently I'm not on any of their access list. He's like, Mr. Preston, here's the problem. You're not on any of our access lists, so I can't let you on the property. So you're gonna have to back up and go down to the GXO warehouse, which I'm assuming is like the XPO. I've been to a GXO before. So had me back up. He's nice about it though. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not allowed on their property. I'm not special enough. Nothing says equality like you're not allowed here. That's how I feel about it. Thanks, Google, and all your equality that you offer everybody. All right, so we got to make this U-turn here. Then go down to the last building on the left. It said I'll see it, so big GXO lettering, and I'm assuming that other Landstar that came in that we just seen came around me. I don't know if I have to drop this trailer and then somebody will bring it in or what. I don't know, but we shall find out. It's the last building on the left up here. I do not like these trees. These trees are entirely way too low. If they're so low that I gotta worry if I'm gonna hit them, they're too low. The place was super secure though. On the left. Am I going to the right then? I guess so. I guess this is the right one. This makes sense. Oh. Yeah, there's a bunch of Landstars here. I'm assuming that's what happened to these guys. They drop their trailers and you go sit and wait. But I got one pallet, so I'm hoping that I can just get in and out real quick. We're gonna pull up here to the side and see what happens. go check in, guys, and I will get back with y'all. Give me a few. Hey, good news, guys. This 692-814 is empty. So we're going to swing this old girl around, drop it right there, and then take that one. Which is exciting. I don't have to wait on it to get unloaded. So. We're gonna make it. Are we gonna make it? So, continue swinging her around here. Back it up into this other spot. Maybe I can see in that mirror a little better. Oh, straight up where I can see. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna take every bit of real estate I got. Y'all, this is exciting. Praise Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Said it's gonna be a little bit before this trailer gets taken over there, but there's an empty if I want to. Yes, I want to. I wanna. I got some cones on the other side over here to contend with. Backing around these cones. And I don't know if that's wet concrete or. Yeah, that's fine. That's where you want it. Got one down with the window. Oh. They want it on a different spot. Whatever, it don't matter to me. We're still dropping it. We're gonna drop it and go get our next load, right? That's the name of the game. Yeehaw. This is exciting. Somebody's gonna get a nice 670 trailer here. Whew. I gotta get my drone taken care of so I can get that out. I gotta calibrate the drone and all that kind of stuff. I'm excited to have it back. I have a new one. We're gonna drop this, guys, and get the heck out of here. So I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Oh, we're gonna move this over a little bit here. Apparently they work for Landstar. There's a bunch of Landstar out here. Yeah, all these drop trailers are Landstar. Or drop trailers. Drop trucks. Bobtails, not drop trucks. They didn't drop a truck. Thank y'all again for riding with me. And oh, by the way, I did not go down the center of Atlanta. Apparently there was a nasty wreck there in Atlanta as well. I'm gonna take this off the window and turn around and talk to you guys. There we are. I'm gonna have to do it like this because it's already recording. Anywho, yeah, there's nasty wreck, had 75 all backed up anyway, so it took me almost 4 hours to get through all that crap because it was pretty rough. But anywho, thank y'all for hanging out with me. Let your family know you love them. Give God all the glory and the praise. Continue to seek his face and read his word. If y'all need a Bible, let me know. We're going to start shipping them out here soon. So until then, until next time, guys, let your family know you love them. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Y'all be good.